Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you this beautiful 2026 Bennington that we just got in. This is the luminescent blue. This is a 23SSB. This is a swingback version of the 22 here. You can see the luminescent blue looks really pretty and has a blackout package. You've got the blackout skirting here. This has the SPS package too as well, so it's a great riding boat. The smooth paneling really makes this boat look good. Come on around back. I'll show you the back here. We actually ordered the American flag to go with this boat. Makes it look good. This boat has the extended aft deck back here, sorry. And then this has a 200 Mercury. So it's got plenty of power, 42, 43 mile per hour boat for you. Come around here, you can see the lily pad ladder here. Easy to drop down and then raise back up to get in the boat. Let's go aboard and let me show you the inside. Here in the bow of the boat now, you notice that you have the nice loungers here, and underneath here you've got the cutouts, and it's got the wireless charger that you can lay your phone on here, and it's got a couple of chargers that you can plug your cords in there. It's got a table here that's removable, so you can put that and stow it away if you like. I know you notice the black interior. A lot of people think that it's really super hot, and it's really not. This has a material called this permacool. It's a chemical in it. It keeps it about 14 degrees cooler than the normal vinyl, so it's really very comfortable. This package here is the Lutz package, so the seating is a little bit more plush than just the normal basic seating. It's got a nice captain's chair, very comfortable here. You've got a Garmin GPS. You got the throttle here for your 200 Mercury. And then you got the Rockford Fosgate stereo. And this is Bluetooth. You got plenty of storage underneath the helm with a fiberglass helm. Over here, you can go to the side, and it's going to have the bench seating here. And then it's just a swing back. So basically, you can sit forward and look out that way. Or if you want to lay out and hang out on the back, you can lay out in the sun back this way. You got plenty of coverage. You got a 10-foot bimini top that gives you plenty of coverage from the driver back. So if you'd like to come see this boat and get a little bit more information, come visit us here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.